Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use unlimited data without frequent recharges. First, let's dive into understanding your current mobile data plan. Many plans offer hidden benefits or specific usage windows that can extend your data. Knowing these details is your first step towards maximizing your data. We'll also look at how to leverage Wi-Fi and device settings to significantly reduce your mobile data consumption. A primary strategy for using data without constant recharges is to extensively use Wi-Fi. Always connect to secure Wi-Fi networks at home, work, or trusted public locations. This offloads a significant portion of your data usage from your mobile plan. Remember to download updates, stream videos, and handle large files exclusively when connected to Wi-Fi to conserve your cellular data allowance. Smart data management is crucial for making your data last longer. Activate data saver modes on your smartphone and within specific applications like social media or video streaming services. These features can reduce data consumption by up to 50%. Also, restrict background data for apps you don't actively use, preventing them from consuming data without your knowledge. Regularly check your data usage to stay informed. Finally, explore alternative data options that can reduce your need for frequent recharges. Some carriers offer plans with genuinely unlimited data, though they involve a monthly fee. Others provide data rollover, allowing unused data to carry over for up to 3 months. Also, keep an eye out for sponsored data from certain apps or services that don't count against your allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.